How to turn off threads notifications in Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can turn off threads notifications in Instagram. However, there isn't a specific feature in order to turn off threads notification in Instagram, but you can simply follow these steps in order to avoid thread notification in Instagram. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here in this page, tap on the heart icon at the top right corner of your screen to open the notification tab. And now once you reach to the notification page, here you will need to find the notification that you have received from Threads. Once you find the Thread notification here, you just simply need to press and hold the notification, and at the very bottom a menu will appear. From here you will need to tap on this turn off notification like this option to stop receiving similar notifications in the future. Now after doing that, you can adjust Instagram notification settings. For that, you will need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then here tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. Once you tap on it, now you will reach to this page. Here you will need to look for notification option. Once you get it, simply tap on it, and now here you will need to scroll to find from Instagram option. Once you get it, simply tap on it, and now here look for the product announcements and feedback section, and from there select the off option. Once you set it off, you will prevent receiving threads related notifications. Also, you will be able to hide thread posts from your feed in order to avoid thread notifications. For that, you will need to tap on this home icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and once you reach this home feed, here you will need to scroll through the feed until you find the thread post. And once you find the post from thread, here tap on the three dot icon next to the thread's post, and then from the menu select the hide option. This action will help reduce similar posts in your feed over the time. You'll also need to repeat these steps few times more as Instagram's algorithm adjusts based on your interactions. So by following these methods, you can effectively manage and turn off threads notification in Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.